Welcome to our tutorial about the rib tool. First, let's begin by creating a profile. Something like this. Return to exit the sketch. Now let's activate the extrude tool. Let me just reposition a little. We want both sides. Click OK. Now let's create a second sketch on the XY plane. Activate the line tool. The line doesn't have to touch the profile, but the extension of the line has got to intersect with the profile. Something like this. Now let's activate the rib tool. My profile's already pre-selected. Next, we need to select a direction. First, I'm going to select this direction, and you see a preview of my rib. Thickness, let's use 1/8 of an inch. We can specify the location of the rib also. The next section here are extents. We've got two options, to next or finite. When to next is selected, the rib will extend to the next face. The finite option, this will specify the distance for the rib termination. Let's select to next for our example, and we'll click OK. Now let's double-click on the rib and select the finite option. Here we've got the option to extend the profile to a face. OK. Let's double-click again. Let's make some more modifications. We can change the direction. Because I've changed the direction, I can't use the to next option. Basically, we don't have a face where the rib can intersect, so we've got an unsolvable situation. If I click OK, Inventor does give me a warning message. Let's click Edit. Now we'll select Finite. Make it 1/2 an inch. And click OK. By the way, as you see, I can't really put a rib in this direction in the middle of my profile. In order for me to create this rib in the middle of this 1-inch profile, the sketch would have to be created 1/4 inch to the left or to the right. All right, let's cancel out of this and edit our sketch. Right-click, Edit Sketch. And let's move the sketch a little bit. We're going to use the line tool. We'll use 2 lines. Right-click, Restart. Let's add another line here. Right-click, Done. I've changed the shape of the profile. Let's exit this sketch and double-click on Rib, Profile. Let's select the entire profile. Direction, and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about the rib tool.